So in my last video, I showed you how to make a relief of this with SketchUp and then import it into artcam. In this video, I will show you how to make this within artcam. There's only one software. Okay, let's begin. First, we create a new model. I give it size 100 and 500. Okay. Okay, so I draw a rectangle as 0. When I move mouse to this 0 point, it will stack on it. I give it size 100 wide and 30 height. Okay, and create. Okay, then I move it to the left corner. Okay, so in the 2D view, we can drag some guidelines as we do in SketchUp. So it will stack to the middle point. Even if it's not in the middle, it's okay. We are doing the woodwork and its relief. Accuracy is not a problem. Okay, so then we use the create arcs. I like to start somewhere from here to here, move down a bit, and then from here to here, and move down a little shallower. Okay, then I need to line from this to this. Right click to make it created. Then I Ctrl C and Ctrl V. Hold the Shift key, press this, then move it to the align right. Okay. Then I select this, hold the Shift key, I select this, and select this. Then I use these join vectors with coordinate nodes. If you don't see this, you just click and hold, and then you will find this. Okay, release your mouse. It says it will convert 4 vectors into 1, so we just join. Good. Now we can delete this. For the guideline, we can keep it for a while. This one we can move it aside. Okay. So this one we Ctrl C and Ctrl V. Then give it 0 and 100. So I move it up. We use the node editing tool. So I move it along this line. A bit, and I'd like to lower this a bit. Also, I lower this a bit. Maybe this one even lower. it's better to keep this line straight, or at least almost straight. Okay, now I Control C and Control V. Give it a coordinate to 300. Apply. Okay. Control C and Control V. Move it to 200. Okay. Move it up a bit. Something like this. Okay. Now Control C and Control V. Give it 400. Apply. Seems okay. So now we draw two straight line. I hold Control key to make it vertical, then click and right click. Then I give it a size 500. Apply. Okay. Give it coordinate 0, 0 at the left corner. Okay, and Control C, Control V. Give it 100. Sorry. Zero, 0. Control C and Control V. Give it 100, 0. Okay. So in the 3D view, I select this, hold Shift key, I select this, and hold Shift key, I select this. Then I go to this, two rail sweep. If you don't see this, click and hold, and you will find this. Okay, so you can see there's a preview in the 3D view. Looks good. Okay, it automatically sets the drive rails of these two lines, and also this cross section as the first cross section. Then we click here and add cross section. Seems no much change. Then we select this, sweep between spans. Then we press this, add cross section, click this, add cross section, and click this, add cross section. If you don't want some of it, you can just modify it directly. So we can make it very freely. Make it as the shape you want. Okay, seems okay to me. Okay, seems okay to me. Then we press apply. And cancel. Okay, so we got this relief. Very good. Okay, so we rename it as half relief. Okay, then we open the relief library. We drag it into this. Then we got it here. Okay, now we create a new model. Give it a double size 200 and 1000. Okay, and we needn't to save that. We can make 1000 of that in one day. Okay, so we just drag this half relief into the workspace. Okay, I give it 0 and 0 and apply. Seems okay. If you found this too long, you can give it unlock and then give it the one you want, maybe 25. Okay, then you got this. We do paste. Seems very good. Okay, then we drag another one here, and this time we need to mirror it. Also we give it 25, apply, and then here give it 100 and 0, apply, but I want it to be mirrored, so here in the center, horizontal. Okay, make sure these two are unchecked. Okay, then we paste. Okay, I think we've got the one we want. So you can do the similar things to add on the backward to make this as long as you want. Drag it here, make it 0 and 500, and make here 25 and apply, and then paste. Give another one, mirror it, 25, apply, it's 100 and 500, apply, and paste. Okay, this is with what we got at last. So you can start to make similar relief of your own. If you like my video, please give me a thumb up. I will keep on working hard, and if you have some particular questions about how to use the software or how to use Sense Router, you can just contact me. And of course, if you want to buy CNC machines in China, the high quality ones, I'd like to help. I'm Liu in China. See you next time. Bye.